Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna go over restoring some headlights. Got my trusty helper George here. Say hi, George.
Hi.
A lot of times we do them on the car, obviously, but this particular time, this is for a friend. He just popped them off his truck. I think it's a Toyota Tundra, not sure what year. You can see it's kind of foggy and the coating on there is starting to deteriorate. And we've worked on them where they're a lot more yellow and degraded than this, but these should be pretty easy. So we're going to show you the process we do. Stay tuned. Right, George?
Yep. Dad's finishing taping them and masking them off, and then we'll start sanding.
So for sandpaper, we're going to use 600, then we're going to move to 800, then to 1200, and then we're going to do Trizac 3000. We're going to do the whole process wet. You got some water here, trusty sander, it's a 6-inch. And if they're really bad, you can drop down to 400 and move to 600 and 800, and then go to 1000 and 1200 and maybe even 1500 or 2000 to 3000. But I don't know. We're just going to do 600, 800, 1200, 3000. And we're going to clear coat when we're done. The water. Alright, so finish the 600. Come and look at this. See that gross yellow scum all over there? It's all the stuff we took off. Look over here on the headlights here. And so what we're going to do now is like a rinse between steps. I get your masking a little wet, but it'll be alright. And then next, we'll move to our 800. We did our 600, we did our 800, then I had moved to the 1200. You can see the headlights are starting to get more and more clear. We're going to clean this up, and then we're going to move to the Trizac 3000 step. And I realize that you may not have these materials laying around at Auto Body and Paint for quite some time, but just trying to give you an idea on the right way to do it. Start with the sanding steps, and then we're going to finish with automotive clear coat. We're going to use a Sickens 2-part automotive clear coat. There again, I know you might not have access to that, but done this on several headlights here in Minnesota where nasty roads and salt and sun and cold, and seen a lot of them 2, 3, 4, 5 years later and they're still holding up. Whereas if you don't put a coating back on there, then probably if you were to just polish these, the yellowing and hazing would come right back. we've completed our 3000 step, we're gonna blow this off and re-clean it with the general purpose adhesive cleaner. And then we'll mix up the clear coat and we'll start spraying. Be careful when you spray it off, of course. You don't want to blow all the sheeting every which way, but we'll be gentle. All right, so we blew these off pretty good. We're gonna grab our cleaner once again and we'll get these sprayed off. Right, George?
Yep.
Want to get video of me spraying these off? You can kind of see how they're gonna look when they get the clear coat on them. Whoa. Looking nice, huh, George?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. All right. So we're gonna mix up our clear coat. And then we'll start spraying. Right, George?
Yep.
All right. Got our clear coat mixed up. And we're gonna put on our respirators. Safety first. I'm gonna spray these bad boys. Well, that concludes the video, and we'll see you guys next time. Right, George?
Yep.
Staying outside where it ain't stinky.
Yep.